Hello everyone, and welcome to Dolly's Food Fusion, the cooking show where my husband and I attempt to recreate his family recipes.
Many of you know my mom's cooking from our previous videos. Now that we both are living in America and we really miss good Indian home cooking, we have decided to try it ourselves.
This is our first video in our 5-part Durga Puja special. Throughout this week, we will be releasing a collection of iconic street foods, which are especially popular during Durga Puja. So make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming festivities. Today we'll be starting with an easy and tasty Aloo Dum. It's one of the most famous potato-based dishes, which is versatile enough to be made into a main course at home as well as a delightful street food. So what are we waiting for? Let's get cooking! So we're going to start with our ingredients here. So here we have about a ½ kg of baby potatoes, boiled and peeled. We have them soaking in water here just so they don't oxidize and brown. You're also going to want 4 small, finely chopped onions, 3 small chopped tomatoes, 4 to 5 cloves of minced or chopped garlic, a handful of curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now on to our procedure. We're going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil to a pan or kadai and heat it. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them crackle. Once you have that nice popping sound from your mustard seeds, go ahead and add your 4 to 5 crushed cloves of garlic. And we're also going to add our 4 small chopped onions here. Sauté this for about 2 minutes. Now it's time to add our handful of curry leaves. Fry this until the onions turn slightly golden. Once you have a nice light golden color to your onions, add your 3 small chopped tomatoes. Now fry for 5 minutes until the tomatoes become soft. As you can see, our tomatoes are nice and soft now. So now it's time to add our masalas. Add your 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Fry this on high flame until the raw smell of the spices goes away. Now we'll add our 1 teaspoon of salt, and a little bit of water. And cook for around 2 more minutes. Now it's finally time to add our baby potatoes. Mix this well until the potatoes become fully saturated with the curry. You can add some more salt to taste here if you like, and keep this on medium flame and cook for around 5 more minutes. And we're done! We can add some optional freshly chopped coriander here if we like. So there you have it. A simple yet extremely flavorful street food, which you can also make at home for your family.
If you enjoyed this video and you want to see us more in the future, please press the subscribe button and the notification bell.
See you next time!